Hello everyone. In this video we will be updating our database, and to do that we don't need to start from scratch. We can just go to our write component first, and here just grab everything here because saving some data and updating it is somehow similar. Okay, paste it here. So instead of write we will say update, and here also we will say update. Okay, so we have values here, variables, but we will need one more variable. We will need one more input field to store the ID number of the city that we want to update. Okay, that's nice. Okay, this is fine. So instead of saying save data, we will say update data, of course. Grab it, put it here. And here, let's change the route. Let's change the endpoint. And instead of saying save city, let's say update city. And here in the request body, we will again send some data. Let's say target ID 2, and what it will be target ID, of course. And the update data function is finished. We will just add one more input here for the ID field. So instead of saying text, we will say number, we will say enter ID, and value will be target ID, of course. And on change went will be connected to set target ID. And instead of saying save, let's say update, and the component is finished. As simple as that. Let's go to server. We will follow the same logic, copy the endpoint for saving the data to database, paste it here because it will be similar. So instead of saying save data, we will say update data, and then good city, but also target ID 2 from the request body we will get. Here it will stay the same. So the first insert into, we will convert it to update. And here, let's say set another keyword from Postgres. We'll set what? Set city. We will set the city to $1, which means the first value on the right, where the ID is equal to $2, which means the second value on the right. In this case, it will be the target ID. And actually, that is it. And I will just copy the error part from the previous route. And now we can test our update component and route. As you can see, I am at the root level on the command line, which means I can initiate the backend, Node server.js. And here I'm at the client level, which means I can say npm start. That looks good. Now let's see what's inside the database. It's Mumbai and Maputo. That's fine. Now let's go to the update component. I will say Jakarta instead of Mumbai. Mumbai was the first city, so the ID is 1. Updated. Now let's check it. Yeah, it's Jakarta. But because of the PostgreSQL logic, now it comes the second. Okay, but we updated it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.